Hello everyone, this is Mike from Tower Control. Today I want to show you a demo of our new product that we have developed, which allows our customers to use their cell phone or the internet to monitor and control various industrial equipment, such as a variable frequency drive that we're using here today. Now without any further ado, I will show you a demo and go over some of the features and benefits of this device. Using text messaging, you can energize or de-energize relays and modify analog output levels. For example, here we send a command to energize the forward relay and gave a speed reference of 30%. The module will then respond with a message indicating whether the operation was successful or if there was any error. Now you can also request to get the status of the IOs, which will generate a report of all the analog and digital IOs and their values and their state. So here I just typed in status and I'm waiting to get the status reply. As you can see, all the IOs with their customized name are listed here with their status. Now, you can also combine multiple commands into one single text message, separating them with commas. For example, here I send a command to stop the forward relay, energize the reverse relay, and set the speed to 100%. See, the motor stops and changes rotation and goes to full speed. I should shortly receive a reply message that those commands were done successfully. So let's do another example. Let's ask for the status. And then we're going to tell the drive to go to 10% of the speed. So we send this, we get a reply message, and you can tell the speed of the drive has been reduced. Now this device is also capable of sending messages upon a change in the drive contact input status. For example, here we'll make the drive to stop, which will cause the run relay to open, which should initiate a message sent to us saying the alarm that the status of that input has been changed. Here's the confirmation of the message, the command. Here's the alarm that the run input is now open. Now, it is also possible to change the default name of all the IOs. You can also change the units for the analog IOs so that the commands that you give is in your desired unit. So here we're going to try to change the unit of the analog output that's going to the drive, set it to Hertz. And now, as I mentioned before, you will receive a message from the module indicating whether the command was processed successfully or not. For example, here I used the wrong name, REF instead of speed, which is the correct name for that analog output. So as you can tell, the status reply is saying that those commands that I gave were invalid. So we're going to try to do this again with the correct name, which is speed, not reference. So we're setting the unit to hertz, and we're giving a minimum 0 and also a maximum of 60. Alright. Let's wait for the confirmation message. Okay, so this time everything were processed successfully. Now that the speed unit is set properly, I can command the module with the appropriate unit. For example, here I will tell the drive to go to 30 Hertz. And let's energize the reverse relay. Now, even though we set the unit to hertz, we can still use the percentage or the milliamp or voltage unit, depending on whether you're using an output voltage or the output current. So I'm going to give you a couple of examples here. I'm going to set the speed with different units here. So this is the 60 Hertz. Try the percentage. There you go. As you can see, the speed of the drive reduced to half. Now finally, let's give it a milliamp value, 20 milliamp, which is the max. And so the drive should ramp up to 60 Hertz. And there you go. I showed you changing the unit on one of the analog outputs. This could also be done on the analog inputs. For example, if you were using a pressure transducer on one of the analog input terminals with a range of -10 to 10 water inches of column, after setting up the unit, minimum and maximum values for that input, your status report will have the input value converted to the appropriate unit. And that's it for this demo. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, please feel free to contact us.